Coop and I. Oh, yeah, okay, good boy. Yeah. No, that's enough. That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. Today we're gonna head back to the boat and do a bit more work. We're gonna keep clearing out the back. We're gonna keep clearing out the walls and the floor timbers, and another beautiful day here. It's just, the weather's amazing. All right, let's get into it. All right, we're back in the boat, day 3. So yesterday I've ripped all this section out. I've taken out the old water bags, so we'll get some new water bag tanks in both sides. I'm going to cut all these off. We're going to run re-fiberglass over the new timber on those joins, just to fix it back to the boat how it was originally. The timber through here is really good. This is all pretty solid. So really, we've just got to put new bracing through the floor everywhere. All new through the floor. And then we can re-floor it all. But before we re-floor it, we need to put new tanks in. We've got to put a wastewater tank under here. Our pumps, new bilge pump. We're going to rip out all these old pumps. Look at this little pump. It's got a tiny little belt on it, a little buddy. It's pretty sick. Yeah, let's get into it. Well, good morning. Another day, another beautiful day in sunny Queensland, far north Queensland. Beautiful place. So yesterday we ripped out all the bathroom area, cleared out the walls, and so today I'm just going to be bucketing up all the scrap, all the mess, and getting it all bucketed up, get it out of here, start clearing it right out. Hey Coop, you coming in? Come on. Can you make it in? Oh, it's tricky. He's going to try and get in the boat. He can get up on the boat. Getting in's a bit tricky because there's no ladder here at the moment. I can put a ladder there for you, Coop. Let's do that. All right. Oh, it's hot in here. So, little Coop's come up to visit. Hey, buddy. How you going, eh? Little Coopy dog. So, we've had a very productive morning getting all the rubbish out, really. You know, it's nearly ready to start reassembling. Hang on, I think Coop wants to come in. There you go, mate. You coming? Come on. Woohoo! I've just been clearing up all the rigging cables. Chucked it down here. There's only a few that I need to coil up and tape, and I'll put all this away in storage somewhere. But now I've got a bit of a space there, so I want to start looking at the control gears of the boat. I've cleared out what I need to clear out for now. Really, the next step's going to be the engine, the steering, all the control gear. Yeah, I think I need to do all of that first. So the engine's schmick, steering's all good, and then we'll while we're doing that, we'll order in some tanks, some other bits. Yeah, beautiful.